once or twice. Dug my way out, blood and fire. Bad decisions, that's alright. Welcome to a city life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood, no way it's so good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing fucking perfect to me. You're so mean when you talk about yourself. You are wrong. Change the voices in your head. Make them like you instead. So complicated. Look how big you make it. Feel so much hatred. Such a tired game. It's not enough. I've done all I can think of. Chase down all my demons. I see you do the same. Pretty please, don't you ever feel like you're less than perfect. Pretty please, if you ever feel like you're nothing perfect to me.
So I swallow fear. It's an ice cold fear. And we
Try, but you try too hard. It's a waste of time.
Cause they're everywhere.
Get my hair.
And we do it all the time.
Do you do that? Why do I do that? Why do I do that?